New Zealand is shaken by a strong earthquake. Just after midnight local time, a magnitude 7.8 quake shook central New Zealand, according to the U.S. Geological Survey, and was felt throughout most of the country. There was some property damage, including shattered glass that had fallen into the street. And inside a grocery store, many items were knocked from store shelves, and part of a ceiling collapsed. The earthquake also generated a tsunami, and residents in low-lying areas were urged to seek higher ground. Some injuries had been reported, but there were no immediate reports of any deaths.